following our joyous celebration of the Eucharist to mark this occasion, so that this moment is kept in the memory of the parish and of the community here. I'm delighted to be unveiling a plaque here in the Garden of Mercy to remember that great apostle of mercy, that great apostle of love that was St Maximilian Kolbe. It's very important for all of us today to reflect on what his witness and example says to our own hearts. And I think the plaque here on the wall will continually remind us of this remarkable priest, this great saint that was St Maximilian Kolbe. Once more, I thank all of you for being with us today for Mass and look forward to the continuation of our celebrations. Thank you, Father Brendan, for allowing us to gather here and also for enabling us to have this long-lasting memorial of such a wonderful occasion, and to everybody who has helped us to prepare for it. So, do I get a fanfare, or do I just give the curtain a bit of a tug?